Yo, what is goody, my boys? We cashed out a lot of bread today. I made over $1,000 today trading in the stock market. I traded in NVDA, cashed out over 200%. And yeah, this account challenge is doing pretty well. I made, I think, $400 just on Robinhood for our account challenge. We went from 500 and now I'm at around $2,000. I update it every single day on Twitter, how it's going, how much I made, etc. I post the profits on there and show you exactly how much I made. Obviously, I don't have the screenshots and I don't put them on these YouTube videos just because I just record them and obviously toss them on the YouTube for you guys for a trade review. But if you guys want to see the profits, you want to see how much I made, you want to obviously see the proof on Twitter. Like if I go on here, I'm going to show you guys real quick. Look at this. This was my post today. Boom. My post today, updating you guys exactly how I took it, how much the account's out. I'm updating you guys. I'm taking 500 bucks all the way to 5,000 this whole summer. I'm going to show you how to do it, and you can take these trades live with me and take this shit to 5K too. So today's trade, we cashed out on NVIDIA. If you guys know, we trade from the higher time frames to start out. Do we take our entries? No, we always look at the higher time frames first to see what our bias is. So I'm always looking at like the 4 hour or the daily to see what's happening. And obviously, you could see right here, we're creating a bunch of resistance. Am I right? We were creating before today a huge downtrend. And you're probably wondering, how did you catch this trade from all the way down here? So I'm going to show you. Pre-market today, let's say if I take this off, what do you see? You see a low right here, you see a low right here. We came down on the 4 hour time frame, swept out this low, and then we closed above here. So what happens every time you usually see a sweep? Like this low, swept, uptrend. This low, swept, uptrend. This low, sweep, goes up. You know what I mean? So every time you see a liquidity sweep, depending on the trend, depending on where we're at in the chart, you can see orders get filled to push to the opposite direction. So I'll put this right here. Nice alarm. I'll put this circle right here. You guys see, okay, the sweep. Then I drop down to the hourly time frame. So what am I looking at? I'm looking at, okay, we're sweeping out hourly lows, hella lows. Also, we're tapping into an order block over here. So if I delete these and we go to the hourly time frame, you know that the 4 hour came down and swept out liquidity. So what I was looking for is I wanted to see the break of structure. It's simple as this. On the 1 hour time frame, what were we doing as soon as price opened up? We came down into what? A fair value gap, a 1 hour fair value gap, and we also came into an order block. So we have a 1 hour order block over here, this down candle to the move up. We retraced back into the order block where orders were filled to push price up. There's obviously a lot of orders down here. So when we made the move up and then we retraced right here, what did we do? We did three things. We took out lows right here. These two lows, we swept these out. We came into the order block and we have a bullish fair value gap. So when I see all three of these bullish confirmations, what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for the 5 minute to break structure or inverse a bearish fair value gap. And that's exactly what I saw. So price was chopping. I was bearish. I was thinking we were bearish. But then as soon as I see all of these pre-market lows get swept and then a closure above the lows, we didn't have an impulse move down. I was like, all right, let me drop down to the 1 minute time frame and see what we're doing. So I know we came down and then boom, we came into a bearish 1 minute fair value gap. You see how I have this right here, right? We came into this boom, reaction. I was like, okay, I don't like how we just swept out 4 hour lows, 1 hour order block, 1 hour fair value gap. That's a lot of damn liquidity. So what I was waiting for is I wanted to see this bearish fair value gap get disrespected. I really wanted to see, okay, I wanted to see a closure above it. So right here, as soon as we closed above it, I waited for a good reaction, up candle, side candle, and then I saw a good reaction. So I entered off of that. And then I put my stop loss around this area right down here. Boom, because let's say if it does come down and hit our stop loss, what's it doing? Most likely just going to continue to the downside. That means our bias was wrong. You stop yourself out. You stick to your plan. Stick to your plan. 1 to 2, like, you know what I mean? Stick to your plan every single day. If I would have lost, that means my bias is wrong. I would have stuck to my plan. Boom, and I'm out of there. No problem. We'll learn, and we do better the next day. It's what trading's all about. If you get mad just from one trade, or if you lose a trade and you get super, super frustrated, you're too attached to the money. You're too just You're just literally doing this because you want to see those numbers. You want to see the dopamine rush of you winning a trade. You don't really want to see and you don't want to feel the feeling of predicting price and actually being a good trader. The only thing you want is quick money. And the funny thing is the market will fucking humble you and it'll smack you in the face with its meat and show you that it's not quick money, bro. So yeah, stop doing this for quick bread. Go like on the side of the street and do some shit, some weird shit if you want quick money. You know what I mean? This is not quick bread. You need to learn how to predict price. Stop being a bot. So we saw the liquidity sweep. Boom. I saw the bearish fair value gap gets disrespected. What else do I see? 3-minute fair value gap, I'm pretty sure. Boom. Fair value gap right here. 3-minute fair value gap. If this was super bearish, don't you think that it would have rejected off of this? So what did we do? We had a bullish close above that and then another bullish close. I entered off of that and the rest is fucking history. Bias was right. Made $1,000 today. $1,000 I just made. Imagine you right there. I'm just giving an example. Let's say you have $1,000 in your bank account. Let's just give an example. Let's say you stuck to your plan, you stuck to your rules, you're studying hard as fuck, you're creating discipline, and you're mentally straight with trading. You're basically, your mind's on straight, you're in tunnel vision, you're focusing so fucking hard. You took the same trade as me and you made 1,000. Imagine right now, whatever your funds are at, look at your bank account. Imagine an extra $1,000 in there today just by sticking to a plan, just by really focusing on what you need to do and your plan and your risk management and your psychological levels with trading. Like, if you stick to that, like, bro, my trading account just gained $1,000 just by me sticking to my plan, dude. It's that simple. It's that simple, man. I don't know what else to say. That's why I took this trade, remember. And I say that to you guys because I want to show you that this is fucking possible. I was just a 19-year-old that, or I was just an 18-year-old, 17-year-old when I first started trading a couple years ago. That was clueless, bro. In Starbucks every single day with my laptop with the fucking red and green candlesticks. Fucking like, oh my God, this shit's going up and down. What's a call? What's a put? Like, I didn't even know what the fuck trading was. 2 years fucking later, I'm doing this shit, dog. And it's only because I believed in myself. I stuck to the process and I'm mastering the fuck out of my edge, bro. Out of my strategy. I know exactly what I have to do. It says it right there, bro. I like you guys can't see it, but I have my plan. I know what I have to do. I stick to it every damn day. And that's the reason I do well in the market. And that's why I'm going to be a fucking millionaire. And you'll see it hands down for the OGs that are watching this video. July 3rd, 2024. Give me a fucking year, dog. Watch where I'm at. Remember this video. So, I cashed out on this because of the higher time frames. 4 hour, swept out lows. 1 hour, swept out lows. Broke structure to the upside. You know how we broke structure to the upside? If you look at this trend, boom. We didn't just create a higher low, lower low, lower low, lower low. We made a low, made a high, made a low. Boom. We broke structure. We made a higher high with this candle. So, when I saw it come down, retrace to the order block, sweep out lows, and then I saw bearish confluences get disrespected right here, which is the inversion of this fair value gap. I entered stop loss below lows, usually whatever you want to do, and I fucking cashed. Check my Twitter if you want to see the gains. Check my Instagram story. Man, we absolutely cashed out on this. You use the higher time frames. Also, what I used, which I didn't have on, is I used the 9 and the 21 EMA strategy. Look at this, man. Perfect fucking setup, man. That's the reason we made $1,000 is because it's an A+ setup and our strategy works out fucking great. We saw the impulse move. We saw the bearish confluences get broken. We saw the EMAs swap, pull back to the EMAs, pullbacks to the EMAs. Bam! Absolutely cashed. If you want to learn more, join the free Discord. Keep being consistent. Keep believing in yourself, dog. I do this shit for free and I'm trying to help everyone out. I'm trying to show you all the real of trading. I'm a 19-year-old kid and I just made $1,000 in one day sitting in my bedroom, dog, just chilling here. I'm a regular ass kid, bruh. And I'm doing this shit. So can you, man. I'm ending this shit here. Let's have a, bro, I'm so fucking happy because I've been working so damn hard. Keep sticking to this shit. Keep being consistent and let's fucking kill it, man. Market's not open tomorrow. We got the market on Friday. I'll see y'all boys on Friday, yo. Great fucking trade today. I love y'all for supporting me. Keep being consistent and keep fucking showing up, dog. All you gotta do is apply yourself, man. Peace out. Have a great day. Keep working on yourself and self-improvement. Let's fucking go.